So when we come out to look at a garage door, we'll determine price based on what's needed to replace or repair the door. Typically, we'll do a 25-point safety inspection to look at all of the moving parts on the door, and then we'll give you 3 options, good, better, or best, to repair the door or replace it, depending on what we find on the inspection. So typically, we'll do a premium priced, fully overhaul of the door to get everything replaced that's needed. Then we'll give you an option to just get it moving again and get you up and running. So we can come out and do a tune-up on your door for less than $100. Typically, a repair is going to range between $300 and $500 on the low end, and a full overhaul, depending on the size of the door, will come in anywhere between $1,000 to $1,500 or so.